How to log in or sign in into your Axis Bank credit card account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to sign in is quite simple. First and foremost, visit any of your preferred browser. Then after type in Axis Bank. Tapping on it will give you different options. You can type in the first one, which is Credit Card Services by Axis Bank. Tapping on it will give you the different options and services of Axis Bank. Tap on the credit card that you want to log into, or you could directly tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner. Tapping on it will give you different options. Tap on the type of account that you have and then on login. Then after, you will have to give in your credentials, which includes your customer ID and the password. Then you can even choose where you want to get login directly to. Then tap on login, and if you are verified and authenticated, you will be logged in. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.